Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pius Jagenda. Now in this video I would like to take you through some of the steps that I've followed individually to become a better DOP and a better videographer. I believe by the end of this video you will have learned a step or two to better your filmmaking work, or even to be inspired to become a better videographer. Let us roll the intro and dive straight into this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pius Jagenda. So one of the steps that I've been able to follow to become a better videographer is to allow myself to make mistakes. I believe it is hard for anyone to learn as a creative if you don't let yourself to make mistakes, and I believe we learn from the mistakes. Once you come across any mistake in your life, you will be able to correct them, because the impact and the effect of standing yourself when you have made a mistake is very huge. So you will sit down and assess the mistake you have done and see how you can be able to do better. So allow yourself to make mistakes as a videographer, and from these mistakes you will be able to turn out a better videographer or a better DOP. Now the second step that has helped me to better my video works is to always visualize the work when I'm shooting as if I'm in the final edit. Now this is one step that will help you as a videographer to correct all the mistakes when you are on set. There has been scenarios where I record videos in slow motion when in actual sense we needed a video to be in 24 frames per second. So when you are shooting and you visualize these videos as if it is the final step, like as if you're editing, it will help you to shoot perfectly when you are on set, and it will help you to perfect your work while you're shooting, and this will enable you avoid many mistakes that you would have realized when you are in the edit, and it is hard for you to go back on set and re-correct those particular mistakes. So while you're shooting, make sure that you visualize any shoot as if it is in the final stages, that is editing, and this will help you to make better videos while you're on set. Another step that has helped me to become a better videographer is to always take risks. Now you will reach on set and you have these amazing ideas, but you're not sure if this idea will work out. So my advice to you is to always take a risk and try out that particular idea. You never know when the best idea will come that will make your video a better one. So try as much as possible. If you have an idea that you'd like to try out on set and it needs you to take a risk, please go ahead and try and take this risk. You never know, that idea would be the idea that will make your video that will stand out from the many videos that you might have put out there. So don't fear to take risks, because it's from those risks that we turn out to create amazing videos. In the world where there are so many cameras that are coming up on the market, and in the world where there are so many people who are becoming videographers and talented photographers, it is always scary for someone who is starting out to become a videographer or to believe in their work. But I advise you to always start small. So many people fear to shoot with their mobile phones because they believe their mobile phones will not be able to give them amazing work. But what you need to understand that most of the videographers, or even the amazing photographers you're seeing today, they started small. So don't fear to start small. It is from those humble beginnings that we turn out to be better creatives, that we turn out to be better DOPs. So it is okay for you to start small. If you have a GoPro, don't fear to start with that. If you have a mobile phone and that is the camera at hand that you can use for now, don't fear to start small. Start using that small computer that you have, and trust me, as time moves on, you'll be able to get gigs that will enable you to upgrade, or even you'll start getting those connections of people who will give you opportunities that will help you upgrade your skills and also upgrade your equipment. Don't fear to start small, because starting small will help you to grow your skills. This takes us to another step that has helped me to grow as a videographer, as a DOP, and as a filmmaker. And that is, it's very important that you understand that before you frame any shot, is that you ask yourself, how is this shot going to contribute to the story I'm going to tell? Otherwise, if you don't develop a creative mind, you will just be a person who just makes random videos, or a person who just takes random photos. It is very important that you develop a creative mind. One of the ways that I usually make my work stand out when I'm shooting, I ask myself, before I start recording that one shot that I want to record, I ask myself, if we are 10 people and we are given the same task, how will my videos stand out? And that is how I've been able to develop a creative mind. So it is very essential you find a way how you can be able to develop a creative mind. Trust me, it is very, very hard for you to develop a creative mind, but the only way you can be able to do it is to practice and practice and practice. Me, I've been able to do so many videos, and I've been able to take time and practice my shots before I'm able to execute them. So if you want to be able to develop a creative mind, take time and practice. And also you can take time and watch movies and recreate the shots that you'll see in those movies. This will help you to develop a creative mind as time goes on and on. If you are a photographer, take time and look at how other photographers are doing it. Which works are they putting out that you're admiring, and try to mimic the shots that they are taking. Trust me, as time goes on, you'll start to take pictures and works that look closely to that work of the person you admire. Another step that will help you develop as a better videographer is to always take time and learn other sectors. I understand so many people, when you are a graphics designer, you just want to stay there and design these posters, but it is very important that you learn other aspects like lighting, other aspects like videography, other aspects like video editing, because you'll never know when you will need that skill. So if you are a videographer and you are a DOP, take time and learn other sectors. Take time and learn lighting, take time and learn sound, because you will get to scenarios where you need to achieve a certain art or a certain creation, but you need to critically explain to the person who is in charge of that how to be able to do it. So take time and learn other creative sectors, and that will help you to grow as a creative. One of the ways that people who do great works follow on a daily basis is to attend phone calls and meetings. Many people don't want to attend meetings because they believe they know it all, but you need to understand that it's from these meetings that the client will give you the perfect explanation of the goal they want to achieve. Now, for videos, if you want to better your creations that clients like, you need to attend meetings, because when you attend these meetings, you will get a clear image of what the client really needs, all of what the vision is. And as time goes on, before the day of the shoot, you will start to create these amazing visuals in your mind, and at the end of the day, you'll be able to share with the director or with the person in charge of the shoot your ideas, and your ideas will help to better the story. So it is very important that you understand that these meetings only help your work to be better, and they only help you to understand the task at the end of the day. So take time and attend meetings or briefings for any project that you're going to be able to execute. The last way I'm able to achieve better videos, or the last point how I'm able to better my works, is to always ask questions. So many people don't like to ask questions when they have not understood a certain point, but I believe it is very important and there is no shame in asking questions. If you have not understood anything about a shoot, feel free to ask people in charge what you need to understand, and at the end of the day, if you understand, you'll be on the same page with the team that you're going to create with. Thank you for watching this video. My videos are always sponsored by iVillage. iVillage, these are the people who support me with video equipment and shooting space to shoot the videos that I put out for you. If this video has been useful to you, don't fear to like and subscribe to my channel, because I believe I'm building a community of people who love to learn from each other. And if you have any way that you better your work, don't fear to comment that in the comment section below, because I believe there are people who are going to learn from you as well. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.